Making a recording of the sewer here at 16588 Beach Drive Northeast, Lake Forest Park, Washington. Date is March 29th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out nearest the covered garage area, or covered area of the driveway, I should say, right near the front door. We're going to take a second video from the other clean out to show the other section of the line, because right now this is in a combined line between two systems on the same house, two drain systems. We're going to come back from here. This is the city main flowing by. I've zeroed out our footage so we can get an accurate look at the footage of the line. This is 6-inch diameter, what appears to be possibly asbestos concrete. But, if my memory serves me correctly, in Lake Forest Park you're responsible for the sewer to your property line. I'll have to double check the codes on that, but once you hit the property line, the city of Lake Forest Park is supposed to do the maintenance, repair, and replacement of the sewer. Generally, this property line, or where the Lake Forest Park will take over, is at the 6-inch transition from 4-inch to 6-inch in the sewer line. So that's where this is happening right here. So about 31 feet back from the city main sewer. I'm going to go locate this spot just to double check everything I'm saying is true. But we're going to go locate. We'll be right back. Okay, I've got that spot located. Kind of right near the fountain area. Zero out our footage again. Coming back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. I've zeroed out our footage. This is definitely on property, and I am with almost completely certain that this is the responsibility of the homeowner. Here is where I believe we are turning off of, remember that toilet paper sitting there, because I believe this is where we will run the camera from the other clean out on the other side of the house and run right into this spot. I'm going to locate this spot is where the two lines come together. I'm going to pause the video again. Oops. I went back out to the 4x6. I'll come back to that spot we were at there. We've already seen this. So we've got about, this is the spot I just located. We're going to call that 18 feet of 4-inch pipe before we come around this turn. I'm going to zero out our footage again now that we've come around that turn. It doesn't want to agree with me. It's at 20 feet. You see that? We're going to come back from 20. There's another turn here. Trying to locate this spot. Pausing again. Coming around this last turn here. Oh, one more slight turn. We're a little bit offset there, and you can see roots coming through. Come back around into the plastic here. A little bit flat as we come through that section, but there's our clean out we're recording this from. I'm going to end the recording for that there. Run over, we're going to actually pause it and run over to the other side. So, pausing there. Okay, we're resuming the recording now. We are making this from that other clean out on the other side of the house. I've pushed down to where the two lines meet. Unfortunately, my zero function isn't working. You see on the right side, that's where the line is meeting this one. I'm actually going to go locate this just to confirm this real quick. Okay, that is confirmed. That is where the two lines are meeting. So starting at 41 feet and coming back, we are in 4-inch diameter concrete pipe again. It's fairly aggregate, rough. You see it's starting to catch up some of the sewage and toilet paper. Got a root ball coming in the line there. Another ball of sewage there. And you come back into this cast iron, you come around this turn right here, it comes back into cast. So, and then up out of the clean out. Oh, there's the clean out from this side. I'm going to end the recording there. It looks like we've got, to get back in the plastic, starting at 41, you got a good 20 feet to come back into this pipe here. Oh, ending the recording there.